Well, from the foundation of Laguna Woods Village, we have Joel Goldstein on today. And Joel, always good to see folks from the foundation. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. So we're really, I know a lot of people probably know about the foundation, but many people who moved in recently may not. So that's kind of what we're going to go through here and tell the folks what this is all about, right?
Okay. The foundation is sort of a unique feature of the village. Not many senior communities have this. It's a 501c3 federally recognized charity that serves the residents. Our slogan is Neighbors Helping Neighbors, because it's made up of a board of volunteers who are villagers, and it serves only villagers. And it is not the Golden Rain Foundation. Sometimes people confuse it because of the word foundation. It provides temporary financial assistance or other services to needy residents. And it's I think, a very nice feature of the village.
Right, and it's been around for how long now?
Since, I think it's 1997.
Okay, so quite a while.
Yes.
So, we talked about the neighbors in need, and one of the things that I know you folks like to point out is how you work hand in hand with our social services department.
Right.
And that really is the department that sort of identifies people that may be in need, right?
Right. We do not directly interact with the recipients of our aid.
Right.
We provide support to the to the social services department and other agencies, and they dispense the aid. The residents are qualified by our social services department. Their identities are confidential. We have no knowledge of the names of the people who are receiving assistance.
And that's what makes this kind of special in a way. It's really sort of a situation where there's a point that nobody needs to be embarrassed or anything like that.
Right.
Okay. Now, the services that are provided, and you've got a list here that we're going to look at, but part of it is something that, well, all of these really are something that's temporary, right? Maybe not the Meals on Wheels, but a few other things.
Right.
You hope that they're temporary.
Right. For example, we do not pay your homeowner fees.
Right.
It's when there is a temporary need, we can provide assistance of kind that's listed on the slide for medication, utility bills, caregiver and respite care, Meals on Wheels. That's one of our major programs.
Right.
The taxi vouchers, adult day services for people with Alzheimer's. We provide vision equipment through the Braille Institute, hearing aids, dental services, gas cards, grocery vouchers, medical alert services, earthquake kits if people need them, ambulance contracts, and one of the newest things is that we support fall prevention classes, which are conducted by Memorial Care at Saddleback Hospital here in the village. And we've just run the first section of 8 classes, and that's going to be repeated. And
that's right, yeah.
It's one of the major reasons people call for help to security is falls, and so this has been a program that I think will be very important.
Yeah, definitely. And I know they, like you said, they've already started up, but there'll be another section as well.
Right.
And sometimes there's like a workshop, so it's kind of a one-off.
No, these are 8 sessions long.
Oh, they are?
Yeah,
okay.
There was an introductory lecture, and there will be another one. But then the classes are 8 weeks and for an hour at a time.
Okay.
And they involve exercises, not just listening. And they're quite good.
All right. Now, again, because you are a nonprofit, you want to mention to people how they can help out. And we have a list here of different things that can be done.
Yes. you can donate through individual donations, or many of the clubs in the village collect money from their members and donate to the foundation, for which we're very grateful. And sometimes people leave a portion of their estate to the foundation, and these donations can be made as a congratulations to someone for a special event, or in memory of someone, or in honor of someone. And all of the donations are acknowledged by the foundation to the donor.
Right. Okay, that's very nice. And another way is through Amazon Smile.
That's right.
Which is nice.
We get a small amount. If you buy anything on Amazon, if you go through Amazon Smile, we get a small percentage of that.
Yeah, which
nice.
can certainly add up.
Yes, it can.
Yeah, especially for somebody like me who goes on there practically daily. And again, how people can help, you can contact social services. And this is a way, too, that perhaps that person knows of someone that could use some help.
Right.
And they can, call them, give them a name, and then from there, social services can look into it.
I'd like to stress that people that need help should contact social services, which is on the ground floor of the community building. Social services is staffed by professional social workers.
Right.
And so we provide assistance to the Social Services Department and other associated agencies like Age Well and Adult Day Services, South County Outreach, which is a major food pantry.
Yeah.
And the Braille Institute. And we also provide impaired site materials for the village library, which anybody in the village can use.
All right, and then finally, the website is foundationoflagunawoodsvillage.org. So if you like to look that up and contact them or find out more what they're about, we welcome you to do that.
We hope that people will go to the website. There you can get our brochure or all the other information about the foundation, see pictures of clubs that have donated and so on. We also have a Facebook page, and people can make donations through PayPal or using credit cards. We have a fall campaign that's going on now. Many of the village residents will have received an invitation to donate in the mail with a Thanksgiving theme to it, and we hope that they will take advantage of that and do that. There's also a mailbox on the first floor of the community building.
That's right.
And you can drop a donation in the slot there, and you will get an acknowledgement. And we like to stress that it's neighbors helping neighbors, and hope everybody will participate.
Yeah, very good. Joel, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good Thanksgiving.
You too.
All right, you take care, and we'll be right back.